Today we're going to be looking at a box of automotive tools that everybody is going to need at least once in their life. Unless you don't own an automobile, then you won't need them anytime in your life. But anyway, they're really good to have. They're not that expensive. And it comes with everything you need to bust loose those lug nuts and do all sorts of stuff. So I hope you like it. And it's a really good name brand. It's Stanley. Really nice. Well made. Heavy. Yeah, I know I tried to pick it up. So stay tuned and watch it, and you may want one. So here's the joke. Money talks, but all my money ever says is goodbye. Get it? See you guys later on the Klaus Crafts and Reviews and Restoration channel. So long. Bye. Today I'm going to do a review on the Stanley Automotive Ratchet set. Use it on anything. But I got it because I'm going to try it on the automotive, but I got the air wrench also. So it comes with a breaker bar and stuff. So just get this thing open. See what it looks like. Can't open it. Yeah, see it right here. It's got good thick plastic on it. Comes in a nice pretty box, which won't be pretty for long. These tools get used.
Put on the box.
It's got the nice yellow Stanley color.
Put the box under, ba? You won't rub around. Put the box under. Rub around on the table.
And so this is what the box looks like. It's tough. Feels pretty good. There's a little thing in the back. It's alright. Open it, lift these tabs, like so. It's hard to open. It's new. Pop them a couple of times, it'll probably open good and break. And anyway, on the inside, you got these luscious looking ridges. And it smells good. And on the inside, you've got the ratchets themselves. Different sizes. You got really small all the way up to big ass. Now this big one here, these things are heavy. This is a 32nd right here. This is actually what the size a lot of king nuts are, is 32nds. And that's what I bought it for. They got some weight to them because they're made for auto body work, auto shops. It's got the size of the here. This is a 32nd. This is a 30. This is 27 millimeter. These are millimeters. This is 24 millimeter, and so on and so on. And you've got this here that you can put them on, so you can slide this up and down. Put one of these on it. Give yourself some leverage when you're turning. Back. You also have, put it in the wrong place. You also have this right here, an extension. These are good, got some good weight to them because this is a Stanley product. So this, you're getting something good when you buy this. You've got this here that turns, so you get in quicker places. Okay. Help out when you're on the tight areas. You got this here. deep well. So you can get stuff that's kind of, it's got a bolt sticking out on it. Here's the ratchet itself. Forward, and this is reverse. It's forward. And then you got one of those left-handed screws. See a lot of them around here for some reason. Seems strong, sturdy. It also has some weight to it. Nice ratchet. What's it? Focus. And here's the main reason I got it also, this nice breaker bar. What this is for is if you've got any kind of nut that doesn't come off easy, it's stuck, then you can put this breaker bar on it. Some people call it a bender bar because of the bend, and then go back to the same position it was before this would break. To really put the mojo on it, or even slide a bar on the end of it to get more leverage to really crank it till you get it and jerk that bolt loose. So if you're in a position where you can't have an hour wrench, this thing will really come in handy. This can come in handy more than you know. The reason it has these bigger sizes in it is because this is an automotive set. If you get like a normal ratchet set, you won't get these. And a normal ratchet set won't have this kind of weight to it. It won't be heavy. These are heavy duty because you're using it on machines and things. And over here you also have another, that one we have a smaller extension. Also, put on the ratchet. So if you want a really nice ratchet set, you want to try to go with a name brand like Stanley, but you can buy these. This is something that you don't want to go. When you buy something like this is something you don't want to go cheap on, because you can really, you're going to have probably buy something cheap like this and start putting it through hell on a vehicle, some kind of car, motorcycle, anything, and you're going to have problems. So it's better to go ahead and give a little bit more money, get a better tool. That way you won't have the problems out of it. There it is. There's that short. There's the whole set right there. Stanley. Can't go wrong with a brand like Stanley. Good product. Not been used yet, but I know that I'm going to give it a try. I know Stanley has always made good products. So this is it. Only thing I can complain about is this here. Don't seem to want to close back. It's hard to open. That's it. There we go. That's the only complaint I have. It's this right here. Other than that, it's good. It's nice. So if you want a really nice automotive ratchet set with a good breaker bar, and remember when you buy an automotive set like this, it's rare that they don't, but some actually don't come with a breaker bar. And you don't want a small breaker bar, you want one that's got some length on it, because you need that leverage to use that breaker bar. So Stanley, buy something you can trust, a brand that's been around a long time, built tough. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Support me on Patreon so I can slowly way my channel can grow. And see you next time. Goodbye.